Guys, August 6, 2018. This one here I got a call for no AC. I don't know if I've ever worked with this guy before. He's in his second floor unit's not working. Not blowing cold air, he says. We'll see if we get him going.
Whoa.
So the filters are in the ceiling here, right?
Yeah.
So the fan's running, it's just not cooling.
Yeah.
All right, let's check out those filters.
Yeah, see, it's 83 here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You're gonna need to get new ones.
Okay.
They're not crazy bad, but they're 12 by 12s. How many you got here?
Just this one.
Just this one?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. Well, you got another one here.
Oh, okay.
But I want you to get the other kind, the cheaper version that get more airflow. Instead of the pleated ones.
Okay.
So that's 2. But you got more in here. No? No, just 2. So you got 2.
Okay.
Now, you're gonna need to run out and get those today, right?
All right.
All right, we'll turn this down. I'll put on cooling and I'll check it. Yeah, it's on. We'll check it outside. 12 by 12 by 1 is what they are.
Okay.
You know which one it is?
No, I don't.
Unless there's a delay on it. Sounds like this is the one. This is humming, this one. So that's gonna be it. Let me get my tools. It's all puffed. I think that's what our problem is. Whoa. Them little bugs. Looks like a 50. 50-5. Only puffed. There you go, 50-5. Make sure the power's off. You can see it's wobbling and she's definitely puffed. So we're gonna put a new capacitor in there and see if it starts. The fan's not spinning. Might be a bad fan. We'll have to check, make sure this capacitor's good. Capacitor's good, so we got a bad fan motor there. Watch. Well, maybe we got a bad connection there on that fan. Might have a bad connection on that wire. Goodman. We'll check the charge. 50-5. Alright, so this is a 22 unit. Looks like a 3-ton. 2 12-inch returns. Unbelievable. We'll check it. In the Maya. Obviously, 2 Now what about the filters on the first floor? Have you changed those? Down cellar?
Yeah,
You have changed them.
I have. But I'm going to get some new ones. I wrote it down.
Well, what about the size downstairs? You know what size they are downstairs?
Same size.
Ah, no, it's not.
No?
No, it's.
Okay.
I think it's in the. Oh, this looks like a washable one. All right, it's clean. Oh no, it's not. We gotta clean it. See it? See how dirty it is?
Yeah.
Not crazy dirty, but let's clean it.
Okay.
You want to clean it outside in the hose or what?
No, I'll just do it in the sink.
Yeah, you could do it in the sink or clean that and then we'll run it. All right? The second floor one's running though. The second floor one, you got to get new filters.
I will.
Clean it good, and then you can hit it with the hose, but this will get the big stuff off of there, you know? Looks like cat hair or something. You got a hose or we'll hit it with the inside unit?
I have to go inside.
That's fine.
Man, you're good. You've done this before.
Well, that gets the big stuff off it, and then we could hit it with the sprayer inside and just spray it backwards so it blows it out, you know? All right, so it's been washed. It's another Goodman. It looks like another 3-tonner. $36. We'll run it and we'll check the charge. You said this one's been struggling?
Yeah.
This might be a leaker. Maybe. So cooling. Turn it down so it don't shut off and I'll check it. $36, I mean that's a leaker. Gonna have to add gas to this one. See the caps? Someone's been over here and added gas to this unit before. Change Freon. He's a leaker. Yeah, it's a 22 unit too. Not 22. Leave it back here. And we'll put some Freon in it. Give it the old Bundy. It's R22. I'm gonna have to come back and do a good cleaning on this thing. I ain't got time today though. Come back, a good cleaning on both of them. If flipping guy comes in here with the shrubbery and just kind of throws it everywhere. Put some gas in it for now, get them going. Yeah, that's another 3-tonner. Put some Freon in it for him. Alright, you can see our suction's at 70. Our subcoolant's definitely lower than it should be. Superheat, you know, I don't want to stop putting too much in because then that superheat will start dropping. So our superheat should be about 23 on a normal system, but you don't know how the ductwork is in this system and stuff, so I'm going to leave it right there. We're above freezing at 70 on the suction. Our superheat's good, so we're not flooding back the compressor. Our subcoolant's definitely low, but I'm going to leave it right there. I mean, I didn't put a lot in it, just a little bit, not too much. We'll weigh the tank and see how much I put in there, but things aren't always perfect out in the real world. You gotta kind of look at things and make a decision on what to do, add or take out or whatever. And it's as good as this one's gonna get. Once it flashes, you can shut it off. See it drops out. Alright, so I got the caps back on it. I'm gonna have to make an appointment, come back, take these things all apart and give them a good hosing down and a good some maintenance. These guys need a good maintenance out here. I just don't have time to do it today. Alright, so about 1.5 pounds, which ain't so bad. I'm gonna have to tell them about it. We're gonna come back and do maintenance on them outside units. Take them all apart, give them a good cleaning. Guys, I just left that job. I got him going, and I'm gonna go back and do a good cleaning on both those two condensers when I get a little bit more time. So within a couple of days, I'll go back there and pull them condensers all apart and give them a good how you doing. Clean all the brush out of them and sediment and
Turn left on Bridge Street, then take the first right.
give them the old how you doing. Give him a good cleaning with the hose type of thing. Told him I didn't have time to do it today. I already got too many jobs. One thing to go over there and get him going, get his AC working, but to do the maintenance, sometimes you gotta go back when you get some more time. So.
Turn left on Middle Street, then keep right.
Well, give him the old how you doing, Mama? Give him the old Gundy. You wish you had a cheeseburger fund. Oh, I know it, next level. Oh, I know it.